just walking around since Luisa is still not here. Hey guys, guess who's here? Ana Luisa from YouTube. Araga-agaw. Ano talaga? Cut. Ayan, so she's here and we're gonna order our food for lunch na. Room service.
Shana, you do it.
Ayoko kasi English.
For the full London experience.
Ay, next time pag ako na mag-isa. Pag wala na akong choice. Kaya mo na yan. Yan. Order siya. Food is here. What is this? Wow, this is fish and chips. Yan. Ganyan siya. Ganun lang siya. Oh. The other one is... Ta-da! Spaghetti! May lighting pa talaga tayo. Sa dilam. How to eat fish and chips according to Ana Luisa. Kailangan mo daw budburan ng salt and pepper. And then, bakit may sunog? Sunog-sunog yung lemon. Patakan mo siya ng sunog na lemon. Ganyan. And then, meron din, ano to? Tartar sauce and malt vinegar. Hindi ko alam. Pero lalagay ko pa rin yan. Try natin lahat. Ito parang avocado something. Coffee. Lemonade. Ana. Just came back from the orientation at District London. Nawala pa kami ni Luisa. Late kami kasi nawala kami. Puro chika lang naganap. But anyway, yeah, we're back at the hotel and in a few minutes, sana deliver na yung makeup. Then, I will do my makeup here sa hotel room. Ganun siya. And then, I will have 2 hours at least to do my makeup or my overall look. Then, I have to head back to District London for the announcement of winners and voting for the voting and announcement of winners. Ganun.
Pagod na pagod.
Kasi ang bigat ng camera ko, girl. Diba? Ang lakas ng muscle ko. Sige na, hanggang dito na lang. Kinakabahan ako, kaya kailangan ko nang mag-unat ng tension. Bye! Siya, mag-shopping daw muna siya ng outfit.
Kasi di ako prepared.
Na-pressure siya. Kala niya, Halloween party pala. Bibili siya ng gown, long gown. Sige na. Sige, bye. Later. Because it's Halloween, we have to stand it like this. Atik lang. Baka masila yung makeup na loob. Oh my God! Yeah! Woo, Russian!
Hindi ka revolution?
Oo, kasi walang brushes pa. Uy! Luisa, paano ba ito? Parang uuubos yung oras ko kabukas. Tulungan na kita.
Ay, may ay talagang nag-comment. Mukha ng
Parang LA girl mo ko
Oo.
Isama-sama natin siya.
Saan ang base mo? Dito.
Shimmery, meron mga shimmery.
Ito shimmery purple.
So, kaya yung parang glitter talaga. Wow!
Ito ang setup ni Shana. Sobrang dami.
I've never been in front of such a big crowd. First time in London. How do I feel? How do I say it? Bloody nervous. Bloody nervous. So this look, I mean, there's so much going on. I love it. There's a unicorn horn, there's lashes. How did you create this look? Well, almost every girl that I know loves unicorns, but I wanted to explore the darker side of unicorn. That's what I try to do every time I make a makeup look. I always want to do something unique. And love that. You are so unique, you definitely stand out. So in 3 words, I don't know how you're going to describe this look in 3 words, but do it. Dark, mysterious, and enchanting. Thank you so much for that, Shana. So now I'd like to welcome back on our 5 contestants because and Shana. Thank you so much, girls. Take a good long look and make sure that you're voting for your favourite to win £20,000. So now, again in no particular order, joint second is Shannon!
Amazing Shannon from the US of A.
In joint second is Amy!
Amazing Amy.
Well done. And then the last of our joint seconds is Shana! Well done, Shana. So this means that our winner of the Iron Freedom Award 2016.
Half a year ago, I have never thought that I would have this amazing opportunity for my makeup artistry. Fast forward through 4 challenges, and here I am. My I Am Freedom journey definitely made me a more versatile and well-rounded artist. And with every challenge, I've grown to be a creator that not only presents a tedious process of makeup application, but also emphasizes on accepting our flaws, self-confidence, and being true to ourselves. Going against equally creative and talented makeup artists around the world could be really stressful, but in the end, you will realize that it's always been a battle against yourself. Definitely, this finale is the biggest test of my passion and will to overcome the struggles and push against my limits. This was not an easy journey, but with the love, support, and prayers of the people who believe in me, I will stand proudly before you with their dreams and mine in my heart. I hope you love this final look.